Hi guys, a video to help on question 3 on Corbett Maths video 113. So hopefully you've looked at videos, the two previous videos looking at question 1 and question 2. Question 3 here, more or less exactly the same, except this time we're going to get a negative answer when we're working through. So that's the real difference. The method is exactly the same. So 4x plus 15 equals x plus 3. So again, as I said in the previous videos, we're looking for a positive amount of x's, or coefficient of x I should be saying. So if I subtract x from each side here, x minus x is 0, so I'm just going to be left with a plus 3 on the right hand side. 4x minus x is 3x, plus the 15, we've not dealt with the 15 yet, so 3x plus 15 equals 3. Again, just subtracting x from the right hand side of the equation and from the left hand side of the equation. Next step, try and get 3x on its own on the left hand side of the equation. So we need to deal with this plus 15. So I've got plus 15. If I minus 15 from the plus 15, I will get 0. But if I minus 15 from the left hand side of the equation, I must also minus it from the right hand side of the equation. So 3 minus 15 is minus 12. So you're starting at 3 there, guys. You're counting down 15 on your number line. You'll end up at minus 12. And then minus 12 divided by 3 is minus 4. Okay, so again, very, very similar to question 1 and 2, except you're going to get a negative answer rather than a positive answer. 3i here, quite a tricky one. Again, we're looking for a positive amount of x's, positive coefficient of x in the final answer. The video's gone a bit shaky there. Seems to be working. So if I add 11x onto this side, I will get 0 x's. So I'm just left with a minus 4. So that minus does belong to the 4. So we need to be writing minus 4 there. And then minus 3x plus 11x is 8x. Okay, minus 3 plus 11. You're taking 3 and then adding 11. So overall, you have positive 8 x's plus the 60. So I just want 8x on its own. At the moment, we're adding 60 to it. So if I minus 60 from this plus 60, I will get 0. But again, if I do it to the right hand side of the equation, I must do it to the left hand side of the equation. So minus 4 minus 60 is minus 64. So I've got numbers on one side, letters on the other side. So now divide through by the coefficient of x, divide through by how many x's we have. So negative 64 divided by 8 is negative 8. Okay, hope you found that useful.